In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a gift card in Away Travel Luggage. This process is straightforward and will help you enjoy your shopping experience. Let's get started. First, open the Away Travel website. You can do this on any web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Once the page loads, you will see the sleek design featuring various travel products. This is your gateway to purchasing quality luggage and travel accessories. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will notice categories for different types of luggage, packing cubes, and travel essentials. Knowing where everything is helps you navigate easily later on. Next, add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Browse through the selections and choose the luggage or accessories that catch your eye. When you find an item you want, click on it to view more details. Here, you can select the color, size, and quantity. Once you have made your selections, look for the Add to Cart button. Clicking this button places your chosen items into your shopping cart. You will see a small notification confirming that the items have been added. This step is crucial because it allows you to gather all your desired products in one place before checking out. Now proceed to checkout. Look for the shopping cart icon, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you will be taken to your cart overview. Here you can review the items you have selected. Make sure everything looks correct. If you need to make changes, you can adjust quantities or remove items. Once you are satisfied, click the Checkout button. This will take you to the payment page where the real fun begins. On the payment page, locate the gift card field. This field is typically found near the credit card and payment information sections. It is essential to find this field because this is where you will enter your gift card information. Taking a few moments to locate it ensures you can apply your gift card easily without any confusion later. Enter your gift card code and PIN if provided. Make sure to input the code exactly as it appears on your card. This step is important because any mistakes could prevent the card from being applied correctly. Once you have entered the information, double-check it for accuracy. This simple verification step saves you from potential issues when processing your order. Select Apply. After entering the gift card information, look for the Apply button next to the gift card field. Clicking this button applies the gift card balance to your total. You should see the total amount change if the gift card is accepted. This confirmation assures you that your gift card has been successfully applied to your purchase. If your order total exceeds the gift card balance, pay the remaining amount using another accepted payment method. This step is necessary if the gift card does not cover the entire purchase. You can use a credit card, debit card, or other methods accepted on the site. It's good to have your payment information ready to complete the transaction smoothly. Finally, complete your purchase. Review your order one last time to ensure everything is correct. Then, click the Complete Purchase button. You will see a confirmation appear on the screen, confirming that your order was successful. This marks the end of the process, and soon you will enjoy your new travel items. Remember, Away gift cards can be redeemed for purchases on the Away Travel website and at Away retail stores in the United States. Gift cards do not expire or incur fees, and any unused balance remains available for future purchases. Thank you for watching, and happy traveling!